All right, so haven't been posting too much. We've been trying to get a bunch of work done. We haven't really had time, but I want to show you guys these before I pack them up. The customer sent out not only their two-door panels, but also the rear panels of their extended cab truck and some other stuff that we did for him. And as always, these were completely tore apart. So the armrest went in the trash, insert comes off, that comes off, the backing came out, this came out, light housing came out. You guys know the whole 9 yards. We did a bunch of plastic work to these things. And this is what I'd like to call sort of like an OEM plus type of look. So the color is lapis blue, and we did not use rattle cans. As always, the color was actually matched using NOS parts that we had years ago. We custom mix it right here in the shop. So this is what it should have looked like new. But of course, the LED lighting in here is kind of making it look a little yellower than it really is. And the customer wanted to go with leather. This is an Italian leather up here. It's perforated. This is the same leather from the same hide. It just was not perforated. Went ahead with a matching double stitching on there for him. The brushing was pretty scraggly, so we did replace that as well. He already had some new lenses. We got new carpeting down here. The inserts were pretty beat up on both doors. They were busted in 2 separate pieces completely, which is about 99% of panels when we work on them. These were all busted out. Tons of cracks going down through here. Some cracks coming down through here that we took care of. We did some crack work in here. And I don't think this was the panel. I think it's another job we're working on. I think so, yeah. Another job we're working on. There's some cracks right here. I thought it was this one, but it's not. But yeah, whole 9. These things were done. They're beautiful. The back sides, new padding. This entire thing is brand new all the way to here, because that was completely busted off. So we cleaned that up and built a brand new one and welded that into place. This guy was broke off. We built a new one of those. There were cracks all around these, which this is pretty normal stuff that we see. A lot of people don't notice this stuff when they just look at their panels, and that's normal. But it's stuff that we find when we look at this. There were bunches of cracks in here too. A bunch of cracks up here. I mean, I could go on forever saying where the damages were. And of course, I already have his extended cab panels packed up in that box over there. So I'm a little too late to show you guys those. But these things are absolutely beautiful. We're keeping that OEM appearance, but stepping it up with leather. He's got brand new window switch covers that he asked for as well. Those are products we produce here. They are the strongest ones on the market, direct replacement, and the best looking ones on the market right now. We offer every single configuration for them and right-hand drive. But anyway, I got to pack these things up, get these out the door with UPS. Figured I'd show you guys. We offer interior work for any vehicle out there. I don't care if it's 50 years old or it's 5 months old. We'll work on it. Roof to floor, plastic repair, recoloring, whole 9. You guys know the deal. If you want costs, we do not give comment prices. Every job is different. We want to talk with the customer to learn about their project, and we'll build an estimate tailored to that. So if you want to do that, just hit up our website, cardesigns.co, fill out the estimate request, and I'll be more than thrilled to work with you directly. If you want some parts like window switch covers and things, hit up obsinteriors.com.